Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by measuring. Focus on walls, openings, and permanent features so you capture reality. Use a tape and jot numbers immediately. Once done, draw a rough outline to scale. 1/4 equals 1 foot or 1/50 for metric. Make sure to include door swing and window height because placement affects furniture and circulation. Label walls and fixed items for clarity. This early accuracy prevents major revisions later, and it gives you a reliable framework to build the plan around. Now you transfer measurements into a cleaner drawing, either on graph paper or in a simple app. Start with outer walls, then interior partitions. Once complete, add layers for doors, windows, plumbing fixtures, and electrical outlets so you see conflicts early. Place scaled furniture to test circulation. Aim for 36 to 48 clear aisles in main paths. If something feels tight, adjust room sizes or switch placements. This iterative middle stage resolves spatial problems before finalizing dimensions. Finish by cleaning the drawing. Add labels, dimensions, scale bar, and ceiling heights so contractors understand intent. Export a printable PDF and keep a digital backup. Before handing off, remeasure critical distances, door clearances, fixture offsets, and compare to your plan. If a mismatch appears, update the drawing immediately. If things go wrong, recheck original measurements first. You'll usually find a single misread number causing the issue, and correcting that restores the plan's accuracy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.